the entire stretch of our travel, people have welcomed us like anything. I think it is a failure of the Congress leaders, local leaders, to engage the support which the people of Orissa are giving to the Congress. Today we came here, our mission was very clear, to see the victims of the families, those who have been murdered by the goons of the BJD government. Here in Mahanga, you all know how many murder has happened in the last couple of years. Recently, on 2nd of this year, January 2021, there was a double murder. One ex-Jilla Panchayat chairman was murdered along with another colleague. And previously also, many murders have happened. And the saddest part is, even the prime accused who has come forward to reveal the truth in front of the police was also been murdered by the known goons of the local leaders. Even the local MLA, the minister, law minister, his name was figured in the FIR. On moral, at least the moral ground, being a law minister, it is his prime duty to submit his resignation before facing the case, before justifying that his innocence. I can very proudly say, today being Indiraji's birth anniversary, many schemes which are implemented by the state governments were initiated by the Congress government. See, even for a rice, it is the Food Security Act that has encouraged the state governments to give rice to the poor people at free of cost, because central government is purchasing the Congress brought a bill when Sonia Gandhi ji initiated, and Dr. Manmohan Singh, when he was a Prime Minister, he has implemented the Food Security Act. On that Food Security Act, central government is purchasing the paddy from the farmers 20 rupees, 25 rupees per kg, and giving it to the state governments for 3 rupees per kg. And whatever the state government is subsidy, compared to the Congress government initiated, there is a peanut. Because more than 90% of the subsidy was given by the central government, initiated by the Congress government. And only hardly 10% subsidy was given by the state government. No, we have to rejuvenate the Congress workers. And now the All India Congress Committee has come with a Jan Jagran Abhiyan program, that is to create a mass contact with the public to expose the failures of the BJP government in the central and also the failures of the BJD government in the central. See, Congress party is one political party with more than 100-year-old. Many people have come, many people have left, but Congress is always vibrant. To win the election, that is agenda.